Iko Ipese, yenda ikari kanyangon bon. Nesa da yaun aitegele kina kotomono Esomero lokada Omodoi Primary School, kotem loko chela kur kotomono Kalaki District, e kaulo na Asekun rengesi arauta head girl nakada Esomero. Shakira Alobo, kotomono idite uke, na ada doli ya TV East aimoro kedengesi, nesde dit einer kotomono da itukuke, konye, apotisi shakaluke Esomero kalo, ko pedes Asekun ngesi kanukada araut head girl. Abu Shakira Alobo ko gwo kada opake Jennifer Anyono nada shum atukote na kantape nada bika na rekes kotomo na seo Shakira Alobo ngesabu ko kakao abotin akwatangon keda kaisa unanukanyare kusodi Jennifer Anyono nada shum atukote na kantape nesta buko dum abotin atom nauni
udomio gi chwao amitunidgi chwono papula morati didi ame nyutobe ngati mido cho Shakira da ko chomere en bo udo le chodo e cho eda mere ame kokil ne wan so anguda bedo ngata me gamo papulan go so kago gamo kede papulan dida ko kwanya nyingo dedede dida ko mino gin timo campaign yamo morati didi ame nyutobe nyame ni arti monejo kaini bedo headga so yateni Shakira kotoro yamo kede chije kede ako kete wi mesa pija pado nene so ko yamo ko mora me joko mare ni jo wote na chika so dido ko ker yer ene ko yerdo joko yeredo amano
kwa peda Bu Shakira Alobo korauna head girl nada bu kotwane aseona Jennifer Anyono ngeza kwana eraida atuptono ken idue lwegi tigita kotomono Esomero kalo kesachuta poto pedos alimunda ebe e gangtos kes Alobo nare jatar kes kedamun ebe e pedere Aingarenikin Esomero
Ergalwan Berson the one emiaja iko sukulo de chi.
What I say that is good in our head girl, she is smart, she is happy with us.
Nyumane na twere bera beri ke head girl egoko school wa ibe.
Konye, lodera Apolon Esomero, lokada Omodoi Primary School, Francis Egwayo, ngesta buko limdaibe.
You know, sometimes some of these things are inborn. When somebody as young as that comes up, should not be suppressed, should be given the opportunity to exercise that. We didn't look at this one being very young. We would have said, she may not be able to perform. No, we have given it a go ahead, a blessing, and we were even surprised the rest of the children voted for her. If we had put her aside, then we would have gone against the will of the children.
Shakira Alobo, nese rai akok, e kaulna katwa narike uriaka kere, kunyet Esomero, nesa chut ekapaina, kanukada Aingarenikin ngesi. Nada ngesi ya TV East ajona ebe nye kotonges araut kotom na machet edau ashoman, abu kolimda ebe kotonges araut awan, kedina da erami borol wegi tigita, kotupte kedida Shakira, neje nara noi kotomana kiron kamana keda aiwo ikososine. Michael Onyinge, TV East, ko Esomero loko Omodoi, ko Kalaki District.